Alright, so here's what I got. This is the one off of the passenger door over there, which interestingly enough, when I pulled the trim off around the glass, there was broken glass in it. Anyways, this is the passenger side one. This is the driver's side one here. And I've come to the conclusion I need to replace this motor. I was hoping they were going to be universal and not be side specific, but they are. But the connector is universal, and just to kind of show you, let me open this some more. Okay, give myself some time. So I'm going to go ahead and close. Really tough to do on your own. Yep, so it actuates on its own. So it's this one actuates, whereas the other one doesn't. So I'm gonna set up for that one and be right back. Okay, so I swapped them out. Try this. All right, so the last video cut out because, you know, trying to do everything by yourself sucks. So anyways, here we go again, and then I'm gonna probably do an ohm check on the motors just to see if there's a difference. Although I probably could pull the motors off of the gearboxes and swap them over to test. Maybe later. No actuation. So I think the motor is, it's definitive, the motor is the problem. Okay, so we got 1 ohm on this one, which I do believe is the driver's side. And then I just used some alligator clips so that I could quickly swap things over. I used the same colors because that's the colors of the wires going into the motors. I don't know why my ohms are changing so much on my meter, but resistance of the carpet, I guess. And this one we got 1.7. So I don't know, I'm gonna play with it some more because, you know, that's what I do, play with things. This one actually looks like it has worse grease than the other one, but I have a feeling this one's newer. Like, this one's not as old. Alright, I'm going to play with it some more, see what I find. Alright, I'm back. I took it apart. Playing with it some more. You can see I'm getting it to spin. Those are balancing cuts, I'm going to assume. And I'm getting it to actuate just by spinning it. It's just a worm drive in the gearbox there. Inside here is just permanent magnets. Let me turn the torch on. Just some permanent magnets. I'm going to try cleaning this and see if maybe... I'll shut up. Maybe that will help resolve some of this, because there are little brushes right there. And I do have some continuity. And judging by the looks of it, I don't see anything wrong with the stator here. Or rotor, I mean. The windings look like they're intact. They definitely don't seem like they're shorted. Should we play with it some more? I think I'm going to play with it some more. Hold on. So now we have 2 ohms. So my resistance is changing. Yeah, maybe I just need to clean the brushes in the stator. I don't know, maybe you know more than me. Give me information. Because here I got 8.5, 8.7, 6. Move it just a little bit more. Got 0.6, a little bit more. 0.4. It's almost like a potentiometer. I'm gonna clean it up, see what happens. All right, so here's what I got. I got it cleaned up really well. Well, as good as I'm gonna get it. I sprayed it all out with some BW 100. I don't know where that got to. Oh, right there. BW 100. Good stuff if you ever need it. Then I cleaned it up with some 1000 grit sanding belt. And then I used my white Scotch-Brite. And it got it pretty good, I think. The brushes are still in good shape though. Plenty of brushes left from what I can tell. Or maybe not, I don't know. Maybe those brushes are worn out. I'm gonna put it back in. Be back in a second. So I got it back in here. You can see I got some play in the brushes still. If they're not all the way forward, so they're making contact. You can tell probably by continuity. So let's get this back in. Get it off of continuity. 0.45. Well, I like that range a lot more. It's not bouncing all over the place. Let me put the stator back on it and grab a 12 volt battery and see what happens. Okay, so I got my probes into the battery, got 12 volts, and yeah, it works now. If I reverse the polarity, comes back. Okay, now time to see why. And would you look at that? Howdy dandy, right? Fuck it. I might have fixed it, no parts required. Let's see if it closes all the way. Oh, would you look at that? Fucking A. Awesome.